So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at solving a peculiar problem that YouTube users are finding. Many of them are not able to see the YouTube Shorts feature inside the YouTube app. Now here in India, even we weren't able to do this a month back maybe, and then we updated to the latest version of the YouTube app, and which happens to be 15.47.36. We'll be shortly looking at this. So after having updated to the latest version of the app, what we have figured out is that we do get the Shorts version and it's like built in natively. And after having done that, we have also found that few users from other countries are complaining that even after updating, they are not able to see this YouTube Shorts thing. So kind of let's look at the issue here and let's look at some possible solutions for this. So let's begin. So this is basically my device. This is basically a Samsung M51 running on Android 10. And here, like primarily I need to go to the Play Store. I search for like the YouTube app. Inside YouTube app, I ensure that I'm updated to the latest version. So like when I click on the app, I just want to show you which version is this. So like, as you scroll down, you can see that this app version is 15.47.36. So this version being there, like what I can then do is I can open up my YouTube and you will see that when I click on this little plus icon, I have this option of create a short and this is showing beta. Now it's quite possible that this is like, this app is there for the for India here and maybe for a few countries. So what I then thought is like in case if it's not appearing despite you following the same steps that we have taken here, what you can also do is you can go to the Play Store, but you need to be a bit careful here and you need to search for something called as VPN, that is virtual private network. Now what a VPN does is it allows you to kind of access restricted things. So in case like YouTube app is not showing the shorts thing, maybe you can access VPN. And when you are doing this, don't just go ahead and trust any VPN because although they will access net from a different IP and camouflage your IP, so your IP is never being shown, still the VPN owner will have details of your device IP. So it's not a small thing. Your device can get hacked in case you use any just IPN. I actually kind of prefer the well-known ones, and one such app is Nod. And we have actually in another tutorial shown how to use like this virtual private networks. And what happens is then they will open up like, again the Chrome browser, again the Play Store, but then from within the VPN. And from there, like you can select like, even the server. So you can select the server which is in India and then connect to the Play Store. And then you will be able to access the exact same thing that we are being able to do here in India. So I hope that that will then make you see exact things that we are able to see here. And that is like, when we click on this plus little icon, we get create a short. So please kind of do this and let us know in the comment section whether you are then able to see create a short. So whether accessing a certain VPN, see there are many VPNs and some of them may be free, but please don't fall for them. Using VPN is not illegal. It's definitely like used for the right things. So sometimes like cases like this wherein you want to access something which is genuine, this may really be a great tool. So go ahead and do that. Just a quick update. Shortly, it will be for all people across all countries. So don't really worry if you are not seeing it right now. But in case you're not seeing it and you want to access it, this is how it's done. And how to make like create a short. So you don't hold the mobile like this. You will be holding like this. And anyways, like when you click on create a short, it will itself tell you how to do, what to do. So like, they are short 10 to 15-second videos, even like, you can go till like 1 minute, but shouldn't do. And once you have uploaded a short video, what happens is like here, like you have this short thing and here you can see like different videos under the short section. So hopefully this helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Click on the bell icon for notifications. Share this with your friends and family so that even they may be knowing, they also come to know on how to resolve this issue. So that's all from my side. I hope to catch you in the next tutorials. Until then, it's me, Amlan, signing off.